Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to ensure you don't get lost. First, always tell someone your destination and when you expect to be back. This simple step provides a safety net. Make sure your phone is fully charged and consider bringing a portable power bank. Pack essentials like water and a few snacks. Before you even step out, take a few minutes to review your route on a map or a navigation app. Knowing your path beforehand significantly reduces the chances of getting disoriented. Next, familiarize yourself with navigation tools. A physical map and compass are invaluable, especially where phone service is unreliable. Practice reading them before you need them. Always download offline maps on your phone for your intended area. Pay attention to prominent landmarks and know your cardinal directions. If you're with others, establish a clear meeting point in case you get separated. These tools and habits provide confidence and direction. If you find yourself feeling lost, the first and most important step is to stay calm. Panicking makes it harder to think clearly. Try to retrace your steps to your last known location if possible. Use your map or phone's GPS to identify your current position. Look for any familiar landmarks or signs that can help you reorient yourself. If you are completely disoriented and have phone service, call a trusted contact or emergency services for assistance. Finally, prioritize safety and prevention. Always stick to marked paths and well-known routes, avoiding tempting shortcuts that could lead you astray. Traveling with a companion is always a good idea, as two heads are better than one for navigation and safety. If you realize you are lost or in any kind of trouble, inform someone immediately. Most importantly, trust your instincts. If a path or situation feels wrong, it's best to stop and reassess before continuing.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.